going to share a story with you. If you feel that you are inadequate, if you feel that you are not much great, you don't have anything extraordinary inside you, then this story is definitely going to spark you up with life. Okay, so make sure that you watch this entire story, you listen to this entire video to know the exact reason why people are made in an imperfect way. Okay, stay tuned. So the story is about a man and he had two pots. Okay, now he is a man who is working as a servant in somebody's place. So daily this man has a task where he has to fill up water in his pots, and he has to he walks like a long distance, and he collects the water, brings that water to the house, fills it up, again goes back to fill water. So this is how he has to fill water and work for his master. The thing is that one of the pot has a little hole, because of which his work is doubled. Suppose if that pot did not have a hole, like 3 or 4 rounds would have filled all the water in the kitchen. But because of that hole, because of the leaking pot, this man had to do the double rounds. And he knew that the pot was with a hole, but still he kept on doing that. He kept on doing this for weeks, for months, and for years. So one day the little pot, the pot that had a bit of crack, that pot started crying. That pot knew that it had a hole, but still that man was taking that pot. He was still using that pot. So this little pot started crying, and that little pot said that, why don't you throw me away? Because of me, your workload is doubled. Every day you have to take like 7 or 8 different rounds, which you could have done just by 3 to 4 rounds if I did not have this hole inside me. So this time the man who had this pot, he knew that this pot is having terrible unacceptance, that pot is not accepting itself. The pot feels that it's not worthy enough. So he decided to tell the truth why he was still using the pot. What he did, he carried that pot, and all the way daily when he goes to and fro, the same path he takes the pot. This time he carries that pot on the other side. He usually carried that pot with the hole on his left hand. This time he carried that pot on the right hand side, and then he showed that pot. Can you see the difference? He walked that entire path and asked the pot that, try to figure out what is the difference. So the little pot, first it did not understand, but then slowly it started seeing that the side on which that man used to hold him, that entire side of the road, it was full of greenery, and the other side where the pot was complete and proper, that side was barren because no water was flowing out from that side. That man knew that the pot was leaking, though he did not replace it, because while he used to walk all the way from the house, from the water filling place to the house, that entire road used to get water on one side, which is why only one side had a lot of greenery, had a lot of lush greens and flowers growing, but the other side was barren. So this is the thing that the man tried to tell the pot, that this was the reason he did not give up on that pot. He wanted that pot still remains with him, and he still keeps on using that pot. Same thing happens with you. If you have felt that you are imperfect, if you feel that you have you have done a lot of mistakes and you have created a lot of ruckus, and you feel that you are not a perfect person, why God is still making you live. So this is the reason. You try to figure out what are the different things that unknowingly are happening because of you that is good for the world. Try to figure out those 3 things and let me know in the comments. So yeah, I'd like to know that. Okay, so yeah, so this is the video. If you have liked this little story, hit the like button. If you feel that this story is going to spark up somebody's mood, try to share this video with them. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.